Me, I wonder, what do you call me? You never sound right, you sound shaky. I know you're hesitant to talk.
Well, for tell you the truth, I'm still confused. So me still I try to figure it out myself.
Figure out what?
How to approach my mother?
About what?
About my father?
What going with the baby? You want to find your father?
Honestly, me feel like my father already find me.
What do you mean by that? Ava, somebody reach out to you?
Bam. Listen, I don't want to confuse you. I got country for a few days after the other day. That's my mother.
Bubbles, you think I like ask my ask Kareem? And a 1 and a 2 and a 3. I ask him so much time till the youth I get miserable. All in the shop, him all say,
Babes, no worry yourself about that, man.
when I have to look feet
Because we book feet.
with a big smile on my face, I say, yeah, we're ready for the weekend to spend some time together. And only to find out, say, the place no book. I consider a relationship needs some time, Bubbles. That's what I look forward for the weekend here.
Boy, T, I understand how you feel. If I did me da feel that way too.
We don't spend no time with each other. Karim come in late at night time and leave early in the morning. If him no leave, me leave, because you know I have the dance class. And that's why I look forward for the weekend here, Bubbles. So we can drink, have a nice conversation. So what I look for having it, because we always spend time with each other.
So, in their work now?
Yep. I'm going to tell you some need look space. I'm going to tell you if you go and back up in my yard.
Wow. That's why I not say nothing for you in here. So, but I mean, T, you could have spent a good time now, you know? But you send the man gone back up in my yard.
At the space I want to come out of. I want fresh air. I buy one nice 2-piece part suit. So I go wait on the beach. And muggle walk over to Kareem's son. And rub down in chest. I have to look for me and can't get me. That is the mood when I did inner. You know what you get me for Christmas? That.
No. I'm gonna start out this neat facts here. Just give me a little time.
You move mysterious now, you know.
Stop going like you know like a mystery.
Yeah, but not too much height.
Well, you must say certain things you just have to work out for yourself, by yourself, before you talk to people about it.
Hold on then, man. So, me and people now.
Yeah. But, yeah, my people.
Like how that sound.
Mm-hmm. What sound?
It sound wrong.
Wow. You mean like the English poem,
Yeah.
yeah? Yes. So, I want one picture with them about.
You know, say Miss Brissett asked me for help her out. with the treat where she and her brother deal with.
My man says something. Babe, how you meet that woman there?
You know, say in my community, I meet her. They get in some trouble one time and she helped me outside.
Oh? So, she like you?
No, she didn't rate me. I want to tell her, say, and she make me know say I have the potential to be a better man, you know? And she give me the work a commission where you see me, I don't know.
Well, you can give my A for creative.
It's a balloon Christmas tree. Crime not even saying buy a Christmas tree. He make a balloon Christmas tree, so I forgive him A for creativity.
I mean, come Tonian man. It's not all that bad. Ratted like the planet too. Like the planet too. You don't appreciate nothing, you know. You know, plug in. Kakafat. Running. Wait. There's one more. Kiss my neck. Different color line. Different. The tree drop. Sorry. Tony, I'm sorry. Let me leave it up. I don't want it to drop. Look at creativity. A for creative. Green and red with decorating. Come, Tony, man. Look at it this way. Your JPS bill won't be very big because Kareem conserved. He went for the AA batteries.
Bubbles, I cheer you, try to cheer me up. But you want to go hotel with them I play the light bill and want to see real Christmas tree. That me did.
See, I understand how you feel. Put it this way. You guys are young. I wouldn't want to say nothing like this come between the two of you. Feet mash up. Just sit down and hold a reason with Kareem. Make him understand how you feel. Make him know say you want to come out of that space here. You need fresh air for you and him. Problems are not solved in a closed environment or the same environment that you're living in. When you go outside of it on an experience and see different things. So just talk to him. Reason.
Yeah, when I cool off, I literally don't want to see him right now.
Make sure you patch up this before you go over into 2024. Carry a good vibe, good energy, a new, fresh relationship with you and Kareem.
I guess you're right. So how about you? How going for your Christmas?
Alright. Just sound like a respectable lady.
Yeah, man. I'm general.
Okay. So you are carrying Destiny at the tree?
Yeah. You forward?
We have a tree here for the later, so I'm not gonna make it. I hope you can understand still, huh?
You can't tell them say you want family time.
You mad? The people that want daddy down for the season and I meet them up for angle and triangle in here. Let's see.
Well, it's a certain, you know. Once you're good at what you do.
Babe, know yourself. We gonna have some family time in the new year. But I already know the thing set. Put this down for my place. Good girl, have to work the money. Have to work the end of your money.
Yeah, man, move over. Hello?
Hello, sir.
Yeah, move.
Awa, you forget my voice?
Walk on, Cara.
Well, you come on sit turn out like you and Kareem. Because him decide to turn up at my house 2 whole days after him come back. After him overstaying time. But him bring back little niceties from Victoria's Secrets. So, you know how that ended up?
No, I don't know how it end up.
You see your face? That's me to know, you to find out thing.
Sure, you can't give me a little of the scoop.
Come, any scoop, where you want scoop, you gotta do it down at the treat. We're supposed to meet Whisper and King round at the house. So draw something and come.
So the clothes my van. And this me a wear. Oh, and him get me this too. He's not that bad still, but me still a punish him.
See, you know what I'm saying? Who do we come in the shop?
You know, say I carry my cousin. He might go and stay with him for a holiday, and he suggest say him go and work in a shop till party available.
Okay, that's nice. So how am I do?
He might do alright. We just have a problem with the game thing. It has distract him, and him and his friend them always a play game about some football and them some of them. That's the only problem.
Well, you just have to make him understand, say, him have to keep him head on him body because him a run a shop and him can't miscalculate with money.
Don't worry, we'll talk to him about it.
Alright.
Ricardo.
Yes, miss.
No, yes, miss. Camatonian.
Yes, Miss Tony.
Just Tonian.
Alright, Tony.
Alright, I'm gonna leave now. If I not come back by closing time, you know if I put the key. This is Miss Brissett. You can see her come look for me from time to time.
Alright. I'm Miss Brissy.
Alright, if I not come back in time, me see you tomorrow.
Alright. Oh, Karim now come here this evening.
Karim, I'm gonna spend some time with you at Theme House while you're there.
Alright. It never sound like you. I never said. Where did it?
Our your woman did it.
Yeah.
Anyways, where baby there? Me I call her, me now get her.
She gone over Shepherd to spend the day and she leave it a bit.
She leave it or she forget it.
Him know and she have it a bit over there. Him say she need to learn to stay off of the internet for even an entire day.
Hello, sir. It's not just an internet device, it's a communication device as well.
Mikey, listen. I bought the tablet so I can keep in contact with her. Please, I'm asking you. Just make sure keep the tablet on her.
Alright. Now go pick her up later. Make she got the treat. So we make she call you.
Hear what? Give me Shepherd number. Give me that man the number so I can call me Pitney and talk to me Pitney.
You mad? We can't just give out the man number so. Just wait till later, man.
You know you really not like peace, you know. You see, I'm stay out of your way. I know me want to talk to my daughter. You have to come tell me for wait.
Yeah, but I don't show your vibes already.
Here it is. Too much I'm talking now, man. Him say he will make the baby talk to you later. Girl, if you can't wait, just take a plane, come talk to her yourself. And please don't push him. It's not a steal, alright?
No. No. This I get from bad to worse.
know Patsy hang up the phone in my ears? Alright, Miss Patsy. Strike 2. I'm gonna make her live for regret that day, yeah.
Patsy, what kind of style?
Hello, she too much now, man.
Don't do that again, yeah?
Okay, sir. I'm not do it again.
Cara, I'm a baby mother, so I have to deal with her. We have differences, yes, but make me deal with it.
I hear you. Just know say my mouth. You from now, sir.
Just over as I say no. If you deal with the situation that way there, she will always want to make trouble. And that's what me no want.
Okay, sir. I understand. Let's get ready for that shop.
I'm going to pick up this thing. Maybe. More you over as I say. I'm not going to make you this year. But at the same time, I don't want you to do nothing for she pray.
Alright. I'll get it, baby. Not happen again. Alright?
Alright. Let's make sure. Yeah, what's it? Alright. Let's soon follow.
So how was the festive season for you?
It was alright.
Tony, what's this I hear that somebody blocked your chimney?
Block my chimney, sir?
No. Not your chimney. Chimney, you know the one that Santa supposed to come down? Not your chimney.
Oh, why you say that, sir?
Let's put it this way. You look like you need a vacation. You know, the kind that is in a North Coast hotel with all-inclusive, plenty food. You know the type of talk about? The one Kareem was supposed to book.
Sir, please don't remind me about that.
Can we suggest that you put Kareem to sleep under the bed amongst the chimney?
Maybe I that much should I do.
I tell you what. Courtesy of the agency, in the first quarter of the new year, you're going to have your vacation in all-inclusive hotel.
Pops, all are we?
You ask Savage permission?
Well, what's a vacation without him?
You know him up here for your room though.
Pops.
Oh, Pops. Whisper, what was your thing assignment?
Well, it was flawless, you know, sir. As we always say, mission accomplished.
That include the man that my high dive off of the stage. What the boy in here?
Oh, I'm only hear about it, you know. But they leave already. That wasn't a part of my assignment.
So you couldn't tell whether they were fish or fowl. What the name? You usually go to this thing. What do you call the wine?
Pops.
Oh.
One is called Fully Bud and the other one is called Coyote.
Alright, let's move on to the matter at hand. How is the treat coming?
Everything is coming together, sir. King and I are supposed to have a meeting today so we can iron out how we mobilize the people, like from Spanish Town to Kingston.
Okay, that sounds like you have most things covered. Danta is supposed to send his bartender to help out, eh?
Okay.
And oh, is Savage going to be there?
Yes, sir.
So for the next 72 hours, Our focus has to be what's happening in the streets and bringing these communities together. It's important that they know that this human being live over there so too. Yeah? Oh, by the way, Prinny, artists you're covering, any more threats?
Not that type, no. No. But you can ask Bossy.
I spoke to her, sir, and so far, no more threats.
Okay. What about the house next door?
That is taken care of. I have a patrol sequence every 12 hours.
If anything moves over there, I need to know about it.
Okay, sir.
And tonight, at the treat, you are busy with what you have assigned yourself. You are doing what you're supposed to be doing, so whisper. I'm relying on you to keep your eyes open. And if you see any drone activity, it's one of our people. Don't shoot it down, please.
Copy that, sir. Thanks for the heads up. Okay.
For the next 72 hours, forget all the other things, but focus in on the treat. That workload we can deal with next year. So keep yourself focused. Oh, before I forget, the hotel trip. You need me find you somebody to go with you?
Pops, you know, see, you're very provoking. Mix up.
Me not mix up. I think it's only fair. The man who shall remain nameless make big promise. Say, you want to carry a girl, go hotel on the North Coast and enjoy. Let us say, to put it mildly, he messed up.
Pops, you want something to drink? Christmas cake, you know, sorrel and all of that. Yes, you do want that. Whisper, you're picking out people them from Spanish Town, and where the trampoline is, that's where you're posted. Tonian, just mix and mingle, and you're going to be hosting the dance competition.
Woo! So we can dance too. We can enter the competition.
Hello, kids, treat. You're hosting the dance competition.
I think I can get your spirits back up. There's a new young constable that joined the unit.
Pops, come with me. I need help down the kitchen. Turn up your phone. Come.
I'm tall, I'm good looking.
Come.
I don't have a good memory.
Pops, go. Pops, have you ever had white sorrel before?
White side. We can call it prejudice, but let me see what I want.
Pops.
Do me a favor.
Yes, Pops.
Call Whisper.
Pops, what is this about?
So, what about you, Kyrie?
What's so talk to you about that?
Don't worry about it. I'm just trying to find out if the physical capability is caught up with the mental faculties where Tony is concerned.
So what go on with you and Patsy?
Okay. Whisper!
Yeah, Bossy.
Give me a second.
It's all in the car.
Yeah, Bossy.
Thank you.
Pops, so I ask you a question.
Tonya, if me, Gara keep on carrying, you think she will shoot Gary?
We can't answer that partly. But kind of things that she really
So, in like irritating ways, broke promise attitude. Now go piss her off to the point where she does.
Well, no. Tell you the truth. To grow up that.
Sir, I concur. Tonyan has gotten to a place now where her conversations are more adult. And I believe she is ready.
So, if she shoot anybody, it's Uno. You know that?
None of that, man. I keep her close.
You better. I'm gonna make sure them lock you up for aiding and abetting, and you can have your joining cell.
Pops,
Hmm?
it's not going to reach there, so.
The last thing I need is a female savage.
Sir,
Hmm.
trust me.
Mm-hmm.
Nah, reach this.
So. Who's going to give this to her?
This one, you want to do that on us?
Well, yeah.
Tell her Merry Christmas. Don't give it to her tonight to go to the tree. You know how I hear say shut yeah. And you hear boom.
Sir, she's not going to be even dressed to be carried.
Okay.
So we won't give it to her tonight.
You know, some people want to just get things, you know, them make sure that them.
Pops, I understand.
You do?
Yes.
And it's all on you. Okay. Santa Claus is coming to